In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add calendar links in Mailchimp, specifically when using the new builder email with the add event feature. This is a useful tool for anyone looking to streamline their event planning and communication efforts, making it easy for your email recipients to save event information directly to their calendars. To get started, we'll begin by creating a calendar event using Google Calendar. First, open Google Calendar on your computer or device. Once you're there, navigate to the date you want for your event and click on it to create the event. When creating your event, be sure to fill in all the important details such as the event title, date, time, and location. Don't forget to add a brief description to inform your attendees about what the event involves or any special instructions they might need. After you've entered all this information, hit save. Once it's saved, you'll need to obtain a shareable link. This link is essential as it will be what you insert into your Mailchimp email to allow recipients to add the event to their calendars directly. To get this link, you should look for an option in your calendar event details that says Get Shareable Link or a similar phrase. Now that you've created your calendar event and you've secured the shareable link, it's time to switch over to Mailchimp and add this link to your email campaign. Start by logging into your Mailchimp account and creating a new campaign, or opening an existing one if you have already started. In the email campaign editor, decide where you want to place your calendar link. You can add a button or a hyperlink, whichever you think will be more engaging for your recipients. To do this, simply select the text or button where you want the link to appear, and then insert the URL you copied from your Google Calendar event. This step will ensure that when your recipients click the link or button in your email, they are directed to the calendar event, allowing them to save it directly to their calendars. Once you've inserted the calendar link, it's crucial to preview and test your email to make sure everything is working as it should. In Mailchimp, you can use the preview feature to check how the email will look to your audience. Send a test email to yourself and click the link to ensure it opens the calendar event correctly. If everything looks and functions correctly, then you're all set to proceed with sending out the campaign to your recipients. By following these steps, you're ensuring that your communication is clear and that your recipients have an easy way to remember and attend your important events. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful for integrating your calendar events seamlessly into Mailchimp emails.